ordered egg and sausage muffin.
Yeah, I ordered the
Nice
same.
hot drink.
I ordered the same. Medyo maaga lang kami. Medyo maaga pa kasi kami dumating. We need to go and check the castle at 11. We bought our ticket online for how much it is? 20 pound each?
I don't know how much. The castle ticket was $23.50.
23, so it's 47 altogether?
Yeah,
47 altogether. We bought it online. Thank you.
Cheers, mate.
Thank you. Yeah.
What do you want?
Black coffee. Yes, please. Thank you. So yeah, it's 47 pounds. You need to book it online if you're planning to come here. Well, if you will check it in their website anyway, it will tell you. are doing the tour 30% road and 70% water and River Thames.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Yeah. So this, how much it costs? How much it cost us?
I don't know. You booked this one.
I booked it 47 as well, same as the price of Castle. So yeah, 23.50 each. Then you can book this online as well. It's better. So yeah, that's all I think, isn't it? That we got the last tour, 2:30 to 3:30. So tell me, did you enjoy the castle?
Yeah, it was really nice. It was really good to see everything.
Oh God! When he got shot, we can't take picture and video inside the castle. We went to St. George, as I said earlier, where Harry and Meghan got married. And then, yeah, I think I saw that earlier.
Yeah.
We lit a candle.
Yeah.
And then
when the kings and queens quarters and stuff.
Yeah, so obviously they said you can't take a photo, but I did take some photos, but I definitely can't put them online because I don't want to get trouble. So yeah, kung balak niyong pumunta dito, it's better to book online, book ahead, because it gets very busy in the in the morning as well, isn't it? Yeah, they start queuing at half past 9 in the morning, and then yeah, that's all really. And then after this, it's an hour tour. So after this, we need to walk around the town, and then that's it.
We're gonna get some good food.
Can only take so much.